boy Jay Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, came out here to the Cars and Toys meet over here in Hearst. Of course, being Puerto Rican and with my wife, you know, we always late to everything we do. But we actually came in, we see some great cars and some stuff we're gonna go through and show you a picture. But I want to introduce you to somebody here today, man. When I met him, the first thing that caught my eye is the shirt. Y'all know I just came from New York. Y'all know that's where I'm from. He's from New York. Tell him where you're from and state your name.
Brooklyn, man. This your boy Ghost. We out here representing with my guy. He's all love right now.
Now I want you to take a look at Ghost's car. Look, now I want you to understand there's a theme behind this. Look, if you see one side is red and one side is green, that means he got a split personality. You just never know what side you're gonna get. One side or the other, you never know what you're gonna get from the car. This is a beautiful car. I'm gonna go ahead and just walk around it. It says Savage in the hood. He's got the nice wrap with the black. I like this a lot. That came out really hot. I'm actually getting a lot of ideas from these cars. It's got the custom wheels. Yeah. What size are these, man? Ghost, what size are these? Ghost, what size are these, Ghost?
Those front ones are 20 by 10 and a half.
And the back?
Come here.
Backs are 20 by 11 and a half.
20 by 11 and a half. Look at that content, man. That's that New York style.
Yes, sir.
How long you been out here from New York?
Yeah, 4 years.
4 years, man. I've been out here since 06.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've been out here since 06. I've been here for a minute.
So I heard you got the shop and everything going on.
Yeah, we got a shop in Irving, Texas. It's AUDIOZONE. We do car, bills, lights, custom lighting, all that kind of stuff. Wheels and tires. Real does all the wheels and tires in the shop. We do window tint, stereos, everything you could possibly think about with a car. Got into lift kits now, doing drop kits, of course. The next step is going to be getting performance. We actually do that car and the other car that he had for his wife. Doggy, come here. We have
okay, that's it. That's what's up.
Like when we did this, we did that one at Field. We did his car. He actually bought another one, another SRT 808.
Oh yeah, that's
kind of what we do. But man, look, Ghost's car is clean as hell. Look at this.
Follow that dude.
See that red interior?
Follow that dude on Instagram, man.
Man, you see that right there? That's that beautiful red, man. Follow this right here. I want you to take a look at it. It's Ghost Scat Pack. Follow him, man. Give him love. Show him love, man. Y'all know who he is. From Berea, he got here with Audio Cat. So my son's gonna go around and just start showing you a bunch of cars. Show everybody what they got out there. Another day, another dollar, y'all. We continue with the projects that we're doing here. Y'all see the smart car? She's completely apart. Now, y'all might be asking, why the hell did we take off the doors of this car? Well, let me explain to you. This is what's going on here. I'm explaining to you why we're doing this build the way we're doing it. If you look underneath the smart car, this is the back of the car. Now, you see that this is the back of the car. You have to come down here to do your oil change. You have to lift up this carpet, get in here to be able to do your oil change. The motor's down here. So in the production of this box that we're gonna make, we're gonna have to make it where the customer can still have access to his oil. But here goes the part. The door's off. This is your door. This is the interior of the door. These cars don't have a door panel. You see this whole shell is all one piece. All one piece. So you just can't do it like you would do other cars. In fact, Look at the back side. When we changed the speakers of this car a while back to the Audio Legions, you have to do it from the outside. So the skin, look at the outside of the door. We had to take out the skin to do the speakers. Now that we're doing fiberglass, we have to have the door out to do the fiberglass enclosures, to get it wrapped or painted, whatever we decide to do, and then put it back together again. This is the next project coming out of the shop right now. We're beginning to do the teardown, as y'all can see, to get the car ready to go and start getting her situated to get her pro audio down. I cannot wait. It could be some 10-inch pro audio. We're doing some drivers, 3 amplifiers, 1 for bass, 1 for tweeters or the drivers, and another one for the horns, the compression horns, and that's kind of where we're at right now. So this one's getting done. We have another one. Here's another subscriber's car that we're doing today. This vehicle here, we're actually just getting it wrapped up. We got the wires right in here. We got the amplifier already installed. This is going with the Nemesis 2K with the 2 12-inch Nemesis that are going inside of her, and all the other stuff that's getting situated, guys. So we're actually wrapping these cars up and getting them going today, and this is kind of where it's at right now. We want to, guys, thank you guys again for watching this channel. Thank you guys so much for the support y'all given us. It's kind of bright out there right now, but we want to thank you truthfully for the support. It's been unbelievable, phenomenal. We're at almost 2K subscribers, 2,000 subscribers in 3 months. That's really thanks to you guys, and of course to Real, and the support we've had from other people like Demonology and other people that have supported this channel. We're truthfully grateful for that, and we're just gonna keep on doing what we have to do, bring the builds that we do, the racing that we do, and bring it out to you guys, because truthfully I'm loving it. I love the feedback from you guys, and it makes you feel good that you do something and people actually appreciate it. So we're really grateful for that, man, and we'll continue here as this build goes on so y'all can get the information y'all need. All right, y'all. Enter video. So we're getting this bad boy ready to go. Got a little battery mounted there on the side, so we got some voltage to help them out. We got the 2 12s in there. All the wiring was nice and clean. Back here behind the box, can't even get no light back there, but that's what the amplifier is. Y'all already seen this one. Look, another one that we're putting together right now. Just blowing here in the shop, guys. This is all we do every day. Just flow in the shop. We're about to turn that one on and get it tested. But we got this one going in with the customer's own gear. He brought his own stuff to install. So if you have your own stuff and you want to get it installed, we definitely do that too. Then we're just rolling, guys. Let's keep on going. All right, so now we get to the tuning part. I know it's the camera. Now the tuning, test the tune is getting ready to go, guys. So we get the bad boy ready to go. Should be delivered to the customer very shortly. I know he can be very happy if we turn this car into him today. Look who's over here, guys, Mr. Real. He act like he doing something, but look what he doing. And in a few minutes, I'm gonna give y'all a little surprise. We got something getting finished up today that we're finishing today too, which is gonna help the store a lot too. All right, y'all, so now we got the car done. Gonna get delivered to the customer. State your name for the record.
Eric, I work at Firestone.
We didn't ask you where you're working at, man. Where are you?
You can follow me on Instagram, ArmyVet11.
Y'all know him because if y'all watched my other video the other day, the baby getting her chiropractic work done, it was him who did the work. So today we had to do what we had to do here. I'm gonna pop this trunk here and show y'all what's going on. So we got the 2 12s. We can leave them for him so he can mount them if he wants to. Now I'm gonna tell you about the insurance. Insurance won't pay you if it's not mounted down.
Okay, so we should get it mounted down.
Yeah, I'm saying I leave that to you, but when you mount it down, you can't get to the bottom of the car. Remember that, so you just think you need to know. But that's where I want you to go turn it on and listen to it, and then we'll go from there. I'm gonna do some Velcro for you too. You can bring it to the back. I'll get you some Velcro on there. That's how I did mine, so I can take it out when I have to for emergencies. Let's go ahead and see your response as you get it to your thing. I like this red inside, man. I'm probably gonna jack his door panels and it's easy to put in my cat and not tell him nothing, but we'll see. Go ahead and turn it on and see how she sounds and see how you like it. Turn her on. Then connect the device. You got some beautiful birds back there. You see all this, man? Sheesh.
We're about to play Ric Flair Dream.
Let's go. Put some volume on. Let's hear it. Y'all hear that? So far,
man, it's awesome. If y'all want work done, y'all need to come to AUDIOZONE. Come get it done by them. They know what they're doing.
We appreciate you, man. You be good, my brother. You be good. Now I'm gonna get that Velcro. Hold on, I'm gonna get that Velcro put on for you real quick. And now to finalize the project, the best detail of all of it. 230 North Beltline Road here in Irving, Texas. Guaranteed to make you happy.
Trying to steal my footage, man.
Technically, you see that sticker up there? I got a question. Did you come to see Bang's Boys or you came to see AUDIOZONE?
I came to
Who did you pay?
I came to AUDIOZONE.
Who'd you pay? Who did you pay?
I came to see everybody up
No,
here.
who ended up? Who collected the money?
Well, fuck who the money. Who did you come to see the most?
Who I come to see the most?
AUDIOZONE.
In all reality, who I come to see the most is actually Rail to Root. That's the first person I met. But just saying.